In this video, I am tidying up the cupboard underneath in my bathroom, and I'm raking leaves up in the yard. Two tiny tidies.
Hey, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies, and it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday with all our friends from our Tiny Tidies. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn, our wonderful host, who hosts us every week. And her channel is The Helpful Home. So that's Sunday Dawn, The Helpful Home. And we have many ladies that join in this collaboration. And if you would like to join our collaboration, just get a hold of Sunday Dawn. She's in the playlist, and the playlist will be in my comments as usual. So, as maybe you can tell today, I'm in my bathroom, and I'm going to do some tiny tidying in here, and hopefully it'll all turn out great. I'm going to climb up on my step stool, and I'm going to have a look at how dusty it is up here. It doesn't look too dusty with the camera. And I'm going to take my cloth, and I'm going to dampen it down just with some Windex. And then I'm going to go in and wipe. That's got the mirror done. Hello. And now, a little bit of lint. Now, one thing I really wanted to do is clean inside this cupboard. Now, it's pretty dark down here, so hopefully you guys can see what's down here. Oops. New camera, which is a GoPro, and I'm trying to learn how to use it. And I found out I wasn't videotaping what I thought I was. Anyhow, I dusted those lights. They weren't too bad. And I cleaned my mirror, which isn't too bad either. And I decided I needed to clean underneath here. Well, it was a mess, and it's too bad I don't have the before. It's too bad I don't have the before, because now it's all over the floor. Anyhow, I emptied the garbage can that goes in there, but I don't want to put it in there until, let's see if we get you back over here. Of course, I have to wipe it out. So, let's see. And this bathroom is very small, and it's a very tight squeeze. And I'll spray this just with some Vim. And I have a cloth. And, oops, something else is in here. This is another one. I'm just going to throw it out. And I'll bring you over here. I'm not sure what this video is going to look like, but gotta try and learn. So we got it all wiped out. So it's nice and clean in there. And I'm going to start putting things back in. So we'll put the garbage can in first. It really is about the only place we can keep room in this bathroom. Anyhow, I'm going to keep So I'm going to put that in there and my hair dryer in here. There's a drawer back there. That's a little too far. Okay, I like my hair dryer out front. And there's a big bottle of shampoo. Okay, let's just put this stuff back in. So now I have stuff I'm going to throw in the garbage. Or recycling. Oh, I think I'll set you up here so I can see if you can see what I'm doing. I cleaned all this stuff out. Under my cover, organized, and the garbage can is all cleaned out. And that didn't take very long to do that. It took maybe about 10 to 15 minutes to get it all wiped out and clean. So now I'm going to have a look at one of my drawers that's way up here. I'm going to have a look at one of my drawers. This is my drawer. And I know there's some stuff in here that I could probably get rid of. No, I changed my mind. Just going to add my soap to that. And I'm going to close it because I think I've done enough. And someday we'll get to that drawer for another tiny tidy. But it's nice to have this done. And I know it's clean. Watch all the other ladies who do the tiny tidy. And subscribe to them if you haven't. Like them, please, and leave a comment. It helps get all our YouTube videos out there. And if you could do the same for me, I'd really, really appreciate it. I really love all my subscribers who subscribed. And it really helps if you like and comment and maybe even share my video sometime. Okay, that's it. And I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn for hosting this collaboration. And as you can see, I'm outside. We still have nice weather in Lethbridge, even though we've had a snowfall. Winters are strange in Lethbridge because it gets cold and snows and then it warms up and melts. Anyhow, I'm just going to do some leaf cleanup. And I've started some of my Christmas decorating. So I've raked the leaves up off the path here. And I dug out my wagon so I can put leaves in it from over here. So now we're going to walk over here. So we'll have to go around. I'm raking the leaves up. In around here where I put the Christmas decorations.
put those leaves. Going to put the leaves in my wagon. We have many big trees all around our house. Not in our yard, but in the neighbor's yard. And I really enjoyed all the beautiful, beautiful fall colors. Not sure if I really enjoy this raking business. Oh well, maybe next year I'll use that leaf blower and see if it's easier. But anyhow, I wanted to get it all cleaned up under my bench so that I could continue doing some more Christmas decorating on the bench. And I just thought it looked so much better without all those leaves underneath. And I think it looks 100 times better without the leaves. Okay, now we're going to take the wagon full of leaves down the alley, and I'm going to dump it in our bin at the back of the house. And this is our green bin, ouch, where I'm going to put the leaves. Twigs in there now. And I'm going to put all those leaves into this bin, and the city will haul it away. Yay, left branch. Okay, leaves are in the bin, and the wagon's empty. And I'll just close up the bin, and they'll come and pick it up. Probably in a week. That's my little tiny tidy for this Tuesday. And now I can carry on with my Christmas decorating. So far, I just have that pretty arch done. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye.